Hey guys, it's Miss Sam, and today we are going to have lesson 5 of our Second Steps program. Today's lesson is about understanding complex feelings. Today, when I was getting ready for school, I felt excited because I was looking forward to seeing all of you, but I also felt worried about having enough time for the reading lesson that I had planned today. I'm also feeling a little bit nervous because I'm having an important meeting with Miss Brooks today. The point is, I was having several different feelings about coming to school. Part of growing up is understanding that feelings can be, well, complicated. Think of two feelings that you had this morning. What word have we been using to describe noticing and feeling what others feel? Empathy, you're right. If you have empathy for one another, you'll get along better. When you get along better, school becomes a better place for learning. Today, you're going to talk about understanding your own and others' feelings. You will also learn that you can have more than one feeling about a given situation. We are going to watch a video about a situation that is happening between two friends. Watch for clues that tell you how these friends might feel.
Hi, I'm Emma. A couple of weeks ago, I had a problem with my friend Gabriella in our after school program. Here's what happened. I knew Gabriella was really excited to show me her new stuffed animal. She collects them and had brought some to school that day. She wanted us to play with them during free time at our after school program. I used to collect stuffed animals too, but I'm not really into that anymore. The thing is, I started taking this dance class, and another friend, Nisi, is in it too. Dancing's really fun. We practiced after school some days. So this one day, Nisi wanted to practice this new dance step, and that's what I wanted to do too. But Gabriella was really disappointed that I didn't want to play with the stuffed animals. She brought them to school just to show them to me.
So let's look. How do you think Gabriella felt? Look at her face. How do you think she's feeling? I think she's feeling hurt, disappointed, maybe even confused. I can tell because look at her face. Her shoulders are slumped. She's looking down. Why do you think Gabriella is confused? Emma used to like to play with her and her stuffed animals. And now she has a new friend and she likes to do new things. How do you think Emma felt? Emma's excited. She's learning a new dance. She might feel guilty because she's having to say no to Gabriella. She might be worried about hurting Gabriella's feelings. I'm sure that Emma had complicated feelings about the situation also. She probably had some empathy. Think about a time when someone might have more than one feeling about something a friend wants to do. I'm sure this happens all the time at home if you have siblings, or it used to happen all the time at school, maybe at recess. Having several feelings at once can be confusing. What do you think Emma could do to handle her feelings? She could talk to an adult. She could even tell Gabriella how she feels honestly. Emma likes to do things with Gabriella sometimes, but not all of the time. Today, Emma wanted to practice a new dance Just because she didn't want to play with Gabriella this time doesn't mean she doesn't like her or that she doesn't want to play with her next time. Now, think if you were in Emma's shoes, what might you do to show you understand and you respect Gabriella's feelings? You could tell Gabriella that you are sorry that she is upset. You could tell Gabriella that you will play with her stuffed animals with her another time. You could ask her to join in with you and Niecy. Or you could even make plans to do something with her later. Let's see how she handles this situation.
I didn't want to hurt Gabriella's feelings, and I didn't want her to be mad at me, but I really wanted to practice the dance routine with Macy. I decided to make a plan to play with Gabriella and have her show me the stuffed animals after I practiced dancing. She said, all right, and asked if she could try dancing with us. I said sure, and Nisa and I showed her how to do some of our new moves.
Okay, so today we talked about how feelings can sometimes be complicated. You can have more than one feeling at the same time. Understanding your own and others' feelings is important. It's called empathy. Think about why it might be helpful to know that people can have more than one feeling. It's important because we need to understand each other better so we don't get mad at other people, so that we can explain our feelings to other people. So today we've talked about complicated feelings. They're normal. It's part of who we are. But we have to talk about them and we have to show empathy to our friends.